Guys, welcome back. We are at one of our favorite ponds. And what are we going to be doing today, Charlotte?
Fishing.
Are we going to catch some big ones?
I think.
I think so. So I hope you guys enjoy.
And also there's some cows. See?
See any fish in there? Charlotte is about to go in. Her maiden voyage. Okay, paddle. No, you're okay. I'm coming out in a second. Paddle with just your right hand for a second. Good. Look at me. Go again. Hey, you're doing it. You're good at this, girl. Let's go over there by the shade. That's where the fish are. A lot of good fish over here. We'll get you set up. Real, Charlotte? Oh, it's good.
Woo!
Oh, is it off? Hold on. Wait. Is it still on? Let's see. I think it fell off. But we'll try again. That was good. That's a good sign. Oh my.
Oh my goodness.
Here. Sorry.
It's okay. Woo!
I have never caught a fish on one of these frogs. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully it works out well. I already got a bite on it. Oh, you see that, Charlotte? I don't know, but I got a big old bite, but I want to catch a fish.
I know. Me too. It's a great time, isn't it?
Nice, beautiful. What the heck? Is that frog trying to get you? What is going on? Oh my, I see a big old toad. Look at that toad. Let's go see if we can catch it, huh? He's huge. He's got some giant eyes.
Holy cow.
No fish yet, but that's okay. But man, there's a jackpot on this puppy here. Check it out. We got this dude. Oh, there's a frog. Nice. Oh, ho, ho. I say we throw this guy on and try him.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. We're giving this one a shot. It looks pretty nice. Looks pretty new, actually.
Hey, Dad, I got some salad for you.
Delicious. I'm hungry, too.
Here. There you go. Look at it. So beautiful.
Oh, yummy. Let's race. To the other side. Yeah. Go, Charlotte, go. You're fast. Ramming speed. We didn't catch any fish, but we still had a lot of fun. So tomorrow we'll try a different pond. Okay, Charlotte, why don't you tell us where we are?
Today we are at my friend's pond.
What happened at the other pond?
And no fish.
No fish?
No fish.
What did it have?
It only had frogs and cows.
Let's catch some fish here, huh?
Ooh, look at that. That sounds fun.
A heron.
Oh, yeah.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
1,
2, 3.
All right. My butt's getting wet. That's okay. As soon as we get one, you're going to reel it in, okay? Yeah, here it goes.
Is that mine?
If there's fish on, yes. All right, ready?
Okay.
There you go.
Whoa, there's a big fish on here.
Yeah, reel. Oh, wait.
Ah! Fish.
Keep reeling. Hold on. Don't stop. Is it a good one?
Yes. No fish.
Charlotte.
Look how big it is.
That's a good one. Hold on.
I can't believe I reeled that in.
Okay.
It is so big.
Hold on to it. Here. Okay.
Like 50?
Yeah. Now hold that there. Let me see. Hold on. Look at me.
Ew.
Hold it lower so I can see it. Charlotte, did you just catch that fish? How did it feel?
Good.
Was it crazy?
And I think it's biting my finger off.
Okay, let it loose in the water right here. Over here. Bye. Oh, there you go. See it?
Please.
Keep reeling. Keep reeling.
Oh, he's such a tiny little... We gotta come down here.
Hey, what do you think?
I think it's a tiny little booger.
Pretty, huh?
It looks like a rainbow.
It's called a bluegill. See how his gill is blue? It's basically black, but it's so cool looking fish.
I think he's biting all my fingers.
Okay, I'm gonna let him loose right here. There you go.
Like that?
He swam away. Oh, here's a good one. Holy cow. Oh. Come on, I need to get you out of here. It's going right in the weeds. Feels pretty good. Okay, here we go. He's out. He's out of the weeds. Oh yeah. If he has my thing, hold on. That would be the coolest thing ever.
Whoa.
He's actually not that big. Oh, he's feisty though. Oh, wrong way. Oh,
Oh, he's real big.
that's a good one, actually.
Look how that small.
Yours? Oh, that is actually a good one. That is a good one. That's a nice looking fish. It's a very pretty, big old mouth. Good sized fish.
Yeah, but you called it small.
Oh, got one. Oh, he's tiny. He's very small. He's the smallest bass I've ever seen here. Holy cow.
Goodness, it's like a tiny little baby.
He's very adorable.
You trying to kill me?
Maybe. Come on. Just one more fish. I'll be happy. Got one. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, he's pulling me. Ooh. Come on. Nice. Like, oh, relax. Ooh, nice. That's a good one to catch at the end of the night. All right, guys. So tonight was a great success. Me and Charlotte caught a bunch of fish. The other spot was great, but just no fish, unfortunately. Got this last one of the night. So pretty good size bass right there. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. And as always, stay wild.